Good morning, Steve Reed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. We're here in Chicago. We're getting some light showers, which our area needs it. The rest of the Midwest is dry, and that's becoming a logistical problem on the river barge system. That and slow Ukraine corn exports continues to help Brazil corn exports versus the U.S. Overnight, beans up 13 cents, corn up 2, wheat anywhere from 6 to 8 higher. Stock market's a little bit lower, dollar's a little bit lower, crude's a little bit lower, but we did test $87 overnight. The news number one is that South America, northern and eastern Argentina is getting some showers while the rest of the country is dry. Southern Brazil, heavy rains, while central and northern Brazil is dry. Most of Australia is dry. So some concern about the southern hemisphere. Wheat crop spikes with Canada, Europe, and Russia already forecasted a little bit lower. The U.S. soybean exports, 52.2 million tons, is down 8% from last year, and USDA dropped crop ratings from 58% good to excellent to 53%. China continues to buy old and new crop Brazil soybeans. The soy peso program is picking up a little farmer selling in Argentina. U.S. crush continues to be higher as U.S. is the main source right now for meal. We're seeing that the higher crude oil is helping U.S. soybean oil domestic prices, but U.S. soybean oil is now seeing a lot of competition from Black Sea sun oil, South American soybean oil, and Southeast Asia palm oil. Corn still running into resistance despite the lower crop ratings because harvest is beginning. Exports are 37 million tons, down 32% from last year. Looks like that these corn might be in some kind of $4.75 to $5 trading range. USDA did drop the good to excellent from 56 to 53, with ethanol corn demand strong. Brazil, as I mentioned earlier, supported by the U.S. logistics on the Mississippi River. Wheat exports 4.3 million tons, down 24%. Seems like December wheat's consolidating around $6, Kansas City $7.20, and Minneapolis $7.60. The soft wheat harvest, spring wheat harvest, 74% done, while 1% of the winter wheat is planted versus 3 average, and there could be some rains, especially for Kansas, over the next 7 days, but the amounts could be light. My teeth is lower due to record Russian wheat exports and the fact that both U.S. and Europe exports are running 5 to 10% behind last year. So kind of a mostly consolidated trade. Volume is down, and now we wait for the USDA September crop numbers.